crafted with the finest materials. The Acme Rollerball pen boasts a sleek design that is both elegant and functional. Its precision-engineered tip delivers a smooth, consistent flow of ink, making it perfect for both everyday use and special occasions. The pen's comfortable grip ensures a firm hold, allowing you to write for extended periods without fatigue. And with its stylish and timeless design, the Acme Rollerball pen is sure to make a statement wherever you use it. Experience the ultimate in writing luxury with the Acme Rollerball pen. Order yours today and elevate your writing experience to the next level. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up to my channel. Acme Rollerball pens come in many different types, each with a unique and distinctive design. These ones feature a design of a laughing man and a chair. I hope you find a design that you like among those that feature prints on a metal barrel.